I've been working on this project for over 13 years.
That's a lot, bro.
Ethiopia can get you like that. You know, there's no other place in the whole world like this. As a photographer, it's really endless. Endless beauty. I've been to many countries around the world, but what I try to do is dedicate time to the same places again and again and again to get a little bit deeper.
This country has become part of his life.
Welcome. We have been traveling all over the country. We got deserts, we got jungles. Everything is like different.
It's a very difficult place to work.
I'm pretty confident. I'm not worried.
But it's so easy to be fascinated with these people.
Oh my God. It's so beautiful, man. It's so beautiful.
You really have to dive deep and get past the first layer because the photos are about humanity and people and not just the place itself. As a teenager coming here, I was really drawn to the countryside area, to the tribal areas. How could you not? But as you dedicate more years here, you really begin to see the nuance of the country.
Hello, my friend.
The city culture, the overlooked things. This book is about weaving together all these diverse places and people and uniting them in one cohesive style. Ethiopia is all of these things combined into one.